Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a problem I think we all know way too well. We are making the perfect protein-rich snack to get you through the day. Let's jump right in.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? It's like 2 or 3 in the afternoon, lunch feels like it was hours ago, and your brain just shuts down. Your energy just hits an absolute wall. It happens to everyone. But what if I told you the answer isn't another coffee, but something you can whip up in just a few minutes? And this is it. The solution is this amazing, simple, no-bake energy bite. Seriously, it's packed with all this natural goodness, it takes practically no time to make, and it's literally designed to fight off that slump and keep you going strong.
So what's the magic behind these little powerhouses? Let's take a look at the ingredients you're going to need. The best part is, they're super simple, and I bet you already have most of this stuff sitting in your kitchen right now.
Okay, look at this lineup. Every single ingredient here has a job to do. You've got your raw honey for that natural sweetness. Then the rolled oats, which are kind of the foundation of the whole thing. You've got healthy fats and protein from your nut butter and those chopped nuts and seeds. And then for that extra boost, some fiber-rich flax or chia, plus a little cinnamon and vanilla for flavor. It's just a perfect team.
All right, so you've got all your ingredients ready to go. Now for the fun part. You're going to see just how easy this is. It's so fast. And you don't need an oven, you don't need any fancy gadgets. Really, all you need is one bowl.
First things first, you're going to take that honey and peanut butter and just mix them together until they're really nice and smooth. This is what's going to hold everything together. Okay, next up, literally just dump in all the dry stuff. The oats, the nuts, the seeds, all of it. Now give it a really good stir. You want to make sure every last bit is totally coated in that honey peanut butter mix. And here, this is the most important step. You have to chill it. Just pop the bowl in the fridge for 15, maybe 20 minutes. It makes the whole mixture firm up so it's not super sticky, which makes the next part way easier. And finally, just roll them up into little bite-sized balls. And that's it. You're done. So simple.
So, we've gone through how to make them, but let's talk about why they work so well. What's actually happening here? Because there's some really cool but simple science going on with these ingredients.
This is the secret right here. It's a 2-stage system. First, you've got the honey. Your body processes those natural carbs super fast, so you get that immediate kick of energy to pull you out of that slump. But we don't want the crash that comes after, right? Well, that's where the oats and nuts come in. They're loaded with fiber and protein, which digest way more slowly, so they give you this steady, sustained fuel that just keeps you going. It's the perfect 1-2 punch for your energy.
But wait, there's more. It doesn't even stop there. All the other ingredients are just nutritional all-stars. Those little sunflower or pumpkin seeds, they add healthy fats and minerals. The flaxseed or chia, they're total powerhouses of fiber and omega-3s. And of course, the nuts give you even more protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied. See? Every single ingredient is working hard for you.
Okay, so here's one of the best things about this recipe. It's basically a perfect starting point. Once you nail the base recipe, you can totally get creative and customize it and make it your own. Let's look at some ideas.
I mean, you could toss in some dark chocolate chips. Who's going to say no to that? Or maybe some dried cranberries to get a little bit of that tart flavor. Shredded coconut is amazing for texture. And hey, if you really want to get on theme, you could add a little bee pollen, a true beekeeper snack. Just have fun and experiment with it.
So, once they're all rolled and ready, how do you actually enjoy them? It's pretty simple. Just grab 2 or 3 of them whenever you feel that energy starting to fade. They go perfectly with tea, coffee, or just a glass of milk. It's just the right amount to get you back on track.
And one last really important tip on how to store them. You'll want to keep these in an airtight container in the fridge. That way they'll stay fresh and delicious for a whole week. You can just make a batch on Sunday and you're set for the entire week.
And there you have it. A super simple, scientifically sound, and totally customizable way to beat that afternoon slump for good. So the only question left is, what are you going to add to make your perfect energy bite?